Hello, good morning, the children of ninth E and F. I hope you all enjoying my class. You all are enjoying my class. And if there is any problem, please let me know. Today we are going to finish this chapter. One more paragraph is left. 10th paragraph. And unlike other classes, ninth and 10th, ninth when you reach, you are in the level of the board children. I am going to register your names in the board. You can write your answers in your own way, but you need a good vocabulary, good language. For that, you must read the chapter as many times till you understand it very well. Learn new words. You need vocabulary. Vocabulary means collection of new words. It will help you to find the difficult words, the meaning of the words, and the unseen passages for your exam. Comprehension. You will have 2 passages, and most of the students lose marks in this section of comprehension because you lack language sometimes, the vocabulary, difficult to find the synonyms, antonyms from the given passage. So your each chapter is just like a passage. What you have to do is, once a teacher teaches or once a teacher taught the chapter, you read it yourself and check yourself that you have understood it very well. Learn new words, learn the meaning. I don't say that learn the meaning by heart, because one word has different meanings according to the sentence. So I cannot tell you that learn the meaning by heart. But few meanings you must keep it in your mind. In this sentence it means this. In this chapter this word means this. That's what we learn the chapters. We are not going to have or live in 2157 and will more than that. Okay, knowledge plus the sentence structure we are learning. That's what I told you in the beginning itself. In one chapter you become across all the grammatical things there. For 9th and 10th, 9th we have 5 grammatical, mainly directed transformation of sentences, directed to indirect, active voice to passive voice, then write the sentence in proper order. You will have jumbled words. For that you need a grammar, sentence structure till 8th class. What you learned all will come in this. So every sentence gives some meaning. That's why I told you go through it thoroughly. In the last class we learned the sharing of each child about the book, the difference between the school what their grandfather studied. They compared it with their school that is next to their bedrooms with a robotic teacher. And that day also they were discussing about, in the previous class we saw that they discussed about the book. They were very curious to read the book. By the time Margie's mother reached there to call Margie for her class, The computer was on every day except Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday they had holidays. Then Margie called her for the class, sent Tommy also to his house for his class. And that day on the computer screen she noticed maths class. Addition on the addition of proper fractions. And before the teacher started the class, told Maggie to submit the previous day's homework to the slot in the computer. 10th paragraph. Maggie did so with a sigh, a long breath sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather was a little boy. She was not able to concentrate her maths class which was going on the computer screen. She was thinking about the book which Tommy brought to show her. And she was thinking, she was dreaming, she was imagining about the school of her grandfather's grandfather 137 years back. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, school veranda, school compound, sitting together in the classroom. Now what do you have? Now for the last 2 months you have been missing it very much due to this corona. So she was thinking about how the children of the area, whole Etawah area, if I take the example, they go by van or in a bus or in their own vehicles to come to school. Such an interesting thing that she never could have it, never enjoyed in her life. Going home together at the end of the day, after the class, they all enjoy. You see lot many people on the roadside, buy a lot of things, hawkers, vendors, enjoy, having fun with the teachers and students. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about that. She's missing now. She's all alone. Her computer is according to her mental age, mental stage. It's adjusted accordingly. But what do we have now? We can discuss with our friends of the same class. We can solve out the problems if we have any doubt. Such an enjoyable time. And the school time is the best time in your life. Don't miss it. Don't think that study is such a boring. No, it's most enjoyable time is your school life. So she said they learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people that also she could not imagine. Her teacher is a machine. She could not imagine that some people are standing in front of them, teachers are standing there and teaching them, sharing their knowledge. Such an exciting thing for them, for her, mainly for Margie. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. And she came back to the class. While the class was going on, she was thinking about those class of her grandfather's grandfather when he was very small child, how he enjoyed going to school. Then just she came back to her sense and remembered the computer screen is on and addition of fractions going on. When then teacher's sound also she heard when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 etc. etc. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had, the fun they had, the fun enjoying moment. The children of the time 137 years back, what we are doing now, you children. I don't know, after 100 years, after 50 years, after 100 years, after 30 years, how your life will be. Okay, you may not be here, you will not be here, I told you already. Your great grandchildren. Because our technology is so vast, developing day by day. So these books and all we will find only in the archaeological department in the museum. Or yes, this is the book we learned 100 years back. Okay, so this is the chapter, the fun they had. You also write your diary daily, because that diary or your description about your school time will be a great evidence for the future children, future generations after generations. So I conclude the chapter with this. We noticed about two characters, Margie and Tommy. I told you already that the story is set in the year 2157. So that's only imagination. And they discussed about their schools. They compared the e-learning and the traditional way of learning by the teachers, by the people who were teaching them. And they all discussed about it. They felt it very nice, having fun with the children. Anyway, they are not going to have it ever in their life. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe at home. Follow the rules and regulations of the government. It's for our safety. Okay, see you tomorrow.